Hello, good morning all of you. I'm Shekhar Sharma again with you for class 6 mathematics chapter 10 ratio and proportion part 2. Now proportion. When two ratios are equal, we say they are in proportion. We use the symbol proportion, this is proportion symbol, to show the proportions. A ratio B proportion C ratio D. A and D are called extreme, B and C are called means. In a proportion, product of means equal to product of extremes. Means A multiply D and B multiply C, both are equal. Continued proportion. In a proportion, if the second and third term are equal, then the proportion is called continued proportion. Second and third term. Example, if 2 ratio 4 proportion 4 ratio 8, here second and third, then we say that 2, 4 and 8 are in continued proportion. Mean proportion. If the term A, B and C are in the continued proportion, then B is called the mean proportion, and of A and B is called the mean proportion of A and C. Here A upon B equal B upon C, so B square equal AC. Third proportion. If the terms A, B and C are in the continued proportion, then C is called the third proportion. Now some questions from exercise 10.2. Which of the following are in proportion? Part A I am taking 16, 4, 32 and 8. So 16 ratio 4 proportion 32 ratio 8. Product of extreme and product of mean. Product of extreme 16 multiply 8. Product of mean 32 multiply 4. 128, 128. So yes, they are in proportion. Find the value of x in the following. 7 ratio 15 proportion x ratio 30. Product of mean and product of extreme. 15 multiply x, 7 multiply 30. So x is there, 15 will be in divide. 15 2s are 30, 7 2s are 14. X equal 14. Find the third proportion, 15 and 45. Third proportion is C. So 15 ratio 45 proportion 45 ratio x. B square equal AC. So B square 45 square 15 multiply x. X equal 45 multiply 45 upon 15. 15 3s are 45. 45 3s are 135. So x equal 135. Find the mean proportion. 5 and 20. 5 ratio x proportion x ratio 20. B square equal AC, x square equal, because B is of now x. X square equal 5 multiplied 20. X square equal 5 multiplied 5. 20 is now in factors. 5 multiplied 5 equal 2 multiply 2. X equal 5 square root 5 square multiply 2 square. Now squares are cut by square root. X equal 5 multiplied 2, x equal 10. On a map, a distance of 600 km is represented by 5 cm. What cm in centimeter? What is the actual distance between the place A and B if they are 8 cm apart from on the map? Let the actual distance between A and B be x kilometer. Proportion of the map distance and actual distance is 5 ratio 600. Proportion 8 ratio x. Product of mean, product of extreme. 5 multiply x equal 800 sorry 600 multiply 8, so x equal 600 multiply 8 upon 5 is 5 no, 600 divided by 5 120, 120 multiplied by 8 960 kilometer. Now unitary method, the method of finding the values of a unit quantity of an item on the basis of the given information and then finding the values of the desired quantity of the same item is called the unitary method. Now question, the cost of the 10 pen is 280 rupees. What is the cost of such 18 pens? First method, the cost of 10 pens equal to 80 rupees. Cost of one pen rupees 280 upon 10. Cost of 18 pen 280 multiply 18 upon 10. So it is cut 0 28 multiply 18 is 504. That was the first method. Now second method, pen cost. 10 pen, 18 pen, cost 280 x. 10 ratio 18, proportion 280 ratio x. 10 upon 18, 280 upon x. 10 cross multiply. 10 multiply x equal 18 multiply 280. X equal 18 multiply 280 upon 10. Same 18. Now 280 by 10, 28. 18 multiply 28, rupees 504. Thank you. Have a nice day.